Welcome. In front of me is a Hammer Blade V, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I'm going to quickly mention that this device is right now in the setup stage, but this won't really matter. Now, typically, I believe when you have your device set up, you can't hold your power button to get the boot options like I can do right now. So if you don't get those when holding power button, just swipe down for the notification twice, and at the bottom you'll find the power button, and then this will bring up this kind of menu. From here we're going to select to shut down, and when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. This in a moment will boot us into boot mode. There we go. Once you see this mode, you can let go of the buttons, and then using only volume up, you want to select the first option. So make sure that the arrow just jumps all the way to the top, and then press volume down to confirm it. Now we're selecting recovery mode in here. Now once recovery mode opens up, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select wipe data factory reset. I can use either one of the volume buttons. Once it's selected, you can confirm it with the power button. Now I do want to mention that this will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now once you confirm that, you want to also just double confirm it by selecting factory data reset. Once you do that, reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do is just confirm that by pressing power button once again, and this will now initiate a reboot and continue the resetting of the device in the background. So give it like 2 minutes to finish up. Once that is completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.